To change the engine oil and filter on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area, and ensure the transmission is in park. Then, start the engine, allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes, and stop the engine. Next, remove the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then, lift the cargo box up and pivot around the intake ducts to remove from the vehicle. Continue by cleaning the area around the oil cap. Use care to avoid hot engine components. Then, remove the oil cap and set it aside. Next, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Then, clean the area around the oil drain plug. Next, remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. This process will take approximately 15 minutes. Then, locate the oil filter in the rear right wheel well and turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase. Ensure the old filter O-ring is completely removed. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil, and ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Then, install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then, turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the drain plug, and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches. Also, remove the old sealing washer and install a new one on the drain plug. Then, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual oil off the vehicle. Next, add the proper amount of the recommended oil through the oil fill cap. Do not overfill. Then, reinstall the oil fill cap. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, stop the engine and allow the oil to drain back into the crankcase for 3 minutes. While waiting, inspect the vehicle for any leaks. Next, remove the dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove again to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Before continuing, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. Then, use a grease gun to grease all suspension grease zerks. Refer to your owner's manual to find all grease zerks for your vehicle. Next, move to the rear of the vehicle to clean the spark arrestor. Begin by removing the spark arrestor fastener. Then, carefully pull the spark arrestor out of the exhaust. Inspect the screen for wear and damage. Replace if necessary. Then, reinstall the spark arrestor into the exhaust and align the mounting hole. Reinstall the spark arrestor fastener and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the cargo box by pivoting around the intakes and aligning the mounting holes. Finally, reinstall the 4 mounting fasteners and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.